Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're all doing great. If you've just come, why not check out part 1 of this video also. If you've been here already, thanks for coming back. So in this part, we're going to strip down the rest of the engine, split the cases, remove the transmission so we can get an idea of what parts need to be replaced, so we know what parts we need to order. So that being said, let's get straight into it. Now this is a crankcase splitter. It can be got relatively cheap. I got this one on eBay. I don't like to put too much pressure on these bolts here. I can use a triangular pattern, you know, and try and split it out evenly. So I'd say like that. In this Yamaha we got 3 bolts, but you know, on the Hondas, let's say you might have 4. But try and triangulate it as much as possible. Even if you had to use, let's say, a bolt here, a bolt there, and another one which maybe wasn't on this surface but down here. You know, anywhere where you can get 3 good solid points. But I'm going to try it from here. And if it doesn't take too much pressure to split, then that's fine. If not, I'd rather go down a little bit deeper. I see on this we have 4 bolts, which are down right around the crankshaft. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll see how much pressure it takes to split. Put a bit of pressure on it, some light taps. If it doesn't move, then I'm going to try and find somewhere more stable. The word of advice with these putters is I don't tighten them down all the way. So if you've noticed, you might be able to see I've left a small gap, just a mil of a gap all around, because when I tighten this, you're going to see it's going to pull up the center and the outside is going to come down. Now I don't want it tight to this face, even though this is not a sealing and mating face or something. There will be a small seal to stop water getting in around the ignition, but it's not as crucial as, let's say, this seal or the clutch side seal. But still, I don't want to dent the corners, so I'm going to just leave that bit of a gap, so this puller doesn't actually contact the case. So these bolts, you can use the original bolts in there, but I had these 6mm bolts. I just put them on and I put on the nuts as well, so I can adjust them. So I've screwed the bolts home all the way to make sure they've got full grip. And just put the nuts down then until I leave the 1 mil of a gap all around. Okay, so I'm going to tighten this up carefully. If it doesn't split, stop, have a look, make sure there's nothing missing, no bolts left in. You do not want to push this too much. You crack one of these rare cases, I mean, you're talking big money to replace it. So I'm just going to use one hand, nice and steady. Now I've put a little bit of pressure on that. I haven't felt any movement yet, so I'm just going to take it nice and easy, double check that I haven't got any bolts left in there. Very easy to miss a bolt. Just also, while we're at this stage, flip it over, check the other side, make sure there's no bolts from the other side. Sure that case is coming evenly all around. Nicely. Just bit by bit, keep at it. There guys, we're about 5 mil apart now. Surprised it hasn't actually started, you know, moving without the hammer now. Usually they're not that stiff. I just hope the bearing race of the crank is not rusted so bad. I think that's what's going on. That side is loose, I can feel that. Any second. Oh, all the way to the end. This one's not going to go down without a fight. That's it. Make sure this end of the case keeps coming with it, because very easy crack the case. You know, if this end is stuck and you're pulling this side out. Oh yeah, also I should have mentioned the rag in there. I've stopped the crank from spinning when we're trying to tighten this around. Not that it should spin too much anyways. Ready, let's see what's in there. Not bad. Oh man. All them filings. Can you see that? What is that? What is that? Let's have a look at these gears. Right, left. Oh, a lot harder to get out than the Hondas. Oh, oh no. Wow. Wow. I mean, whatever the hell was in there was just eating gears. But I'm surprised it hasn't wrecked it. How can something like that happen and not wreck the entire transmission? I mean, all the other gears look perfect. Look at that dog. There. That's well rounded. Okay, we'll take this apart properly and inspect it some more. You just need to turn the shift drum. You tap it out. Simple as that. Oh, okay guys, so we can see now exactly what's taking the chunks out of that gear. You just look in there. This is where the kickstart is. Can you see that? That is not supposed to come through the case like that. So whatever's happened, I'm guessing that has binded at some point. It's twisted around, burst a hole in the case. This is stuck out, which is then taking chunks out of this gear. No, let's see if this side will just tap out relatively easy. No. that did not want to come out. Okay, so I don't think it's going to get any more stripped than that. Apart from pulling out the seals, bearings, there's not a whole lot. I'm judging by the way that crank was and how difficult that was to get out, I'm guessing these are not going to come out without some heat. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm starting to get a bit excited about this bike getting finished. I want to see how much this thing is going to rip when it's done. But I've got a few more videos coming up soon. The next video I'm going to do is probably going to be the engine case repairs. I had to do a lot of TIG welding and a lot of grinding on that, but we got there in the end. But guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for coming back again. God bless and keep it big, boy. So far, they look perfect. Uh-oh, spoke too soon. Spoke way too soon. What is that in there, man? Okay, let's have a little tidy up and get these gears out. I think I see chunks missing out teeth in there. And a hole in the crankcase. Right where the Kickstarter is.